Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday, February the 16th, and look at the snow. It is 27 degrees. Now, I got up this morning at 5 a.m. and let the dog out, and it just had started snowing. I was watching the news, and then I don't know, by 8 o'clock it was really coming down, and so I decided, from what the news said, that I wasn't going to go to church, because I know these country roads, we are the last to get plowed. But you could see on the grill cover, kind of looks like maybe we got about 3 or 4 inches. But now that, I'm not sure, because the wind is really strong. And the snow is still coming down. It's kind of a light flurry snow. Let me take you around the front and show you what it looks like out front. So yeah, the sidewalk is covered. Look at that. And the wind, whoa, coming from the west is bad. I really wasn't expecting this. Look at that. I don't even see the horses. They must have headed to the barn. And I'm missing a cat, my favorite cat. She's been gone now for about a month, and I do not know where she's at. She normally goes over to that barn over there across the street, across the road, but she always comes back home. So anyway, what do y'all think? Are you getting any snow in your neck of the woods? Let me know where you're viewing from and how your weather is. So yeah, we're getting the snow. So I want to bring you in here and show you this cat. So there is the white cat, and her name is Possum. And this was my sister's cat, and she was going underneath my kitchen cabinet, over where in the Lazy Susan. And I remembered when my sister lived in the trailer, she had got her one of those large Christmas bags, and she would hide in that Christmas bag, and then she got her a box, and she would hide in that box. And she would put a little blanket in there, and she didn't like the blanket. She didn't want no blanket. Well, I tried the blanket. She didn't like the blanket. So this is where she stays. And her name is Possum. And the reason why she named her Possum is because she's white and her tail is black. But I'm not sure exactly how old she is, but I had took her in and had her spaded. And lo and behold, I'm telling you, something's not right, because I noticed last week there was blood on the floor. So I don't know where that come from. But she was going into depression, because when my sister passed away, she stayed over there underneath the patio curtain. And that's where I got her little bowl of food. But she went into depression, I'm a guessing, because she was losing her hair like crazy. And I've never known a cat to lose so much hair. Okay, so how you doing, baby? Look at you. Look at you. Yes, yes. That's what I have for you today. Hope y'all stay warm and safe. And remember, as always, God loves you.